That is pretty cool. But anyway, once the key is in there, then the car does allow you to start it up. And you do that with a little button in the center console, once again, shaped like the Koenigsegg coat of arms. Very beautiful engine start-stop button, as you can see. You press that and you turn on the car. Now, the first press of that button turns on EV sneak mode. And that basically means the car operates in electric power only, doesn't turn on the engine, and it only goes speeds up to 6 miles an hour. This doesn't sound very useful, and I thought it was kind of stupid until I actually started using it. Just moving the car around. A lot of people who own these have big collections, big garages. You want to kind of move the car around. You don't necessarily need to start it up every time and then turn it off. The engine's still cold. It's not good for it. You can sneak around using electric power only. And frankly, I've been doing that, moving the car in, out, whatever. It's actually pretty useful, surprisingly so. But anyway, you press the engine start-stop button a second time, and that fires up the actual engine, not just the little sneak mode. The real engine turns on, and it sounds unreal. It sounds, frankly, like a V8 muscle car. But anyway, once you're inside the car, if you want to close the door, you press this little button here with a door on it, and then the door closes. Obviously, there's one button like that for the driver's side, one button like that for the passenger side, so you can close the doors using those buttons once you climb inside. Also in this vicinity, you have a rather odd power window switch. It's this. It sort of looks like a normal switch, but then comes up at the end. Obviously, you pull it backwards or up to put the window up, or you push it down to put the window down. Two other buttons worth noting in this area. At the very base of this center button area, you press this and open up the rear lid, the engine compartment. So that's how you get back there from the interior. And at the very top of this center button area, you press this and open up the front compartment, which is a cargo area. I'll show you later. And those are the buttons that you need in here. Now, interestingly, you pull out, you look at this whole thing, and once again, you can see it looks like the Koenigsegg coat of arms. This entire button area with all of your important buttons in the center, they've integrated the coat of arms once again. And by the way, one other important item worth noting, if you're sitting in the car, the door is closed and you want to get out, you do not press this center button to open the doors. This button only closes them. Instead, to get out, you just pull the door handle, which by the way, looks like a normal door handle, but you can see the Koenigsegg coat of arms at the end of it one more time. Very cool integration there. But anyway, you pull it and then the door does its little thing and opens right up. Basically, you're pulling it just starts the process. You don't actually have to pull it through the whole process. It'll do that automatically once you've just pulled the door handle.